Hello friend, welcome back to Network Lab Room channel. To bit of today, I would like to show configuration step of GRE over IPsec tunnel in Cisco SD-WAN. Cisco SD-WAN provides it feature mark connection between Cisco SD-WAN device and non-Cisco SD-WAN device, or connection between Cisco SD-WAN device or third-party device. About benefits, GRE over IPsec tunnel support OSPF version 3 and multicast traffic, so it's helpful if you want to run dynamic routing protocol or running multicast for special application. And you can either migrate to a Cisco Catalyst SD-WAN network or modify a device to support Cisco Catalyst SD-WAN. Let me talk about my scenario today. You see, I'm using the topology, which one I'm using almost previous video, but today I add one more side and name it legacy side. It means the router of side did not run SD-WAN feature, and this side cannot access my SD-WAN overlay network. But I want to connect this side to side 101 to help the router to help user as a legacy side can access resource at DC side or resource at the another side. Example side 101 and 106. Okay. To do it, I'm going to use GRE tunnel to make connection between two sides and using IPsec IKE version 2 to protect my tunnel. In my lab, to configure the GA over IPsec tunnel, I need three steps. Step 1, after the router try to manager, the manager has full permission to handle configuration of router, so I cannot type any command on the router directly. This reason why I need create CLI add-on template on the manager to add the command line. And second, after I create CLI add-on template, I need assign it to device template. And finally, configure the GRE over IPsec tunnel on non-Cisco SD-WAN device or third-party device. Okay, actually I have prepared GA over IPsec configuration already. So let me explain the configuration first. Okay, you see I'm using IKE version 2, so I must create proposal, determine encryption group and integrity parameter. Then create policy to include proposal, and next I must create queuing to define the key and IP bullet for remote site. And next I define the IKE version 2 profile to define authentication remote and local, also include queuing local, and my matching identity is remote address. Next I need define IPsec profile to associate IKE version 2 profile and transform sets. About GE tunnel, I assume tunnel 10 and assign tunnel to VF 10. Define the IP address of tunnel using tunnel source and tunnel destination IP. Also associate IPsec profile to protect the tunnel and using BAT MTU discovery to help tunnel automatic discovery the MTU of tunnel. The last line is static route, because I don't want to use default route on the line connect to a non-SD-WAN overlay infrastructure, so I just let the router now the IP public of remote site. So I define the basic router, the basic static route. The second file is configuration for non-SD-WAN device. You see the configuration almost same, just accept the IP address, and I don't use VAF for external, and I don't use static route because I would like to use default route for the non-device running as non-Cisco SD-WAN. I think if you have configuration experience on IPsec IK version 2, my configuration is simple, right? And one more thing about keying, if you don't if you don't want to use a basic key, instead you use ISA authentication, so you can ignore it keying and need inbox file doc p tail or file doc pfh into router, and under the IKE version 2 profile you need set strut boy for the profile. Okay, now let me copy this configuration and go to a manager. Sorry, go to manager, and find out the CLI add-on template configuration and template feature template. Because I create one CLI add-on template already, so I don't need much new one. So I just edit each 101, this one, and edit, and then I will pass the configuration. You see I had special command platform console 0. This command help me open the console EV directly. Okay, yeah, and update. Next, let me check configuration. Okay, configuration slide by side. What's the difference? This one static route, and this one interface tunnel. Okay, and some parameter is in CUI command. Okay, config device, open logs. About the CLI add-on template, if the device you had filter template and CLI template, manager will generate configuration from filter template first, and then merge CLI template into the filter template. Okay, maybe my configuration apply is successful. Let me refresh. Okay, not yet. Wait a second. Okay, template success attached to device. And let me go to the CLI of router and check the interface tunnel. Okay, open the console and so maybe interface bridge. Okay, you see my tunnel 10 started up but protocol is down because the remote tunnel is didn't establish yet, so protocol is down. Okay, so it so run session IKE version 2. Okay, 61 press key is encrypted. Okay, everything is fine, right? Okay, uh, let me go to the legacy router and configure the basis configuration, and then copy the configuration file to the router. Let me go to legacy router, fish. Let me show the version and show you the mod the router is running now. You see router operation thing mod autonomous. Okay, graffiti host name. Okay, interface with IP 11a 11.2. 2555.252 SAS and gigabit 2 10.10 107 254 24 and start ground 1a dot 1 dot 1 dot 1 dot 1. Okay, let's do right. Okay, let me pin to the remote IP of site 101 61 10 116. Okay, cannot. Let me check IP3 router. Oh, not yet, right? Okay, let me configure. Zero 1.1.1 sorry 5 rise hostname 3. Okay, let me ping again. Okay, now I am about copy the configuration, IPsec configuration to the legacy router. Let me check one more time. Resist to know the destination 100.2, 100.1, mask identity remote 1.1.6, 1.1.2. Okay, copy, and then sorry, in the router I need to enable the license button because the first time I set up, so I need enable the security license. If I don't enable this feature, my configuration cannot work. So let me go to configuration and license, boot, DNA, sorry, what's one level, DNA, this one, networks, advanced, add-on, DNA, NT, and write. Okay, I need reboot router, do relog. Yes. Okay, I will pause the video here and come back after the router come up. Okay, my router is come up already, so I will copy the IPsec configuration and back to legacy router. Batch. Okay, everything fine, right? Okay, and right. So then session a key version 2. Okay, encryption, keyring. Okay, let me show IP interface bridge. Okay, the node up now. How about say 101? Okay, very key. My tunnel at the side 101 also up. Okay. You see um, the my configuration not include the OSPF for tunnel 10. So even the tunnel up, the router still cannot receive a route from side 101 and cannot receive the route from DC or the other side also. So I need as OSPF configuration for tunnel 10 both upside. Okay, I need to go to the manager configuration template, feature template, and edit the CLI add-on template. This one, edit, and I need to add the OSPF command under the interface tunnel. This one, IP OSPF 10 because I create template OSPF template for VPN 10. So the manager will create the OSPF process ID is 10. So I need uh, type 10 and area 0, and I don't need uh, a listen DR or PDR between to know. So I type OSPF network boy to boy. Let me type clearly IPF network area 0. Okay, and update. Next, and no need check command, so I config device directly. Let me so log. Wait a second. Okay, my template success attack to device. Now I need type OSPF in legacy router also. Config interface in 10 IPOS network boy to boy IP OSPF. Uh, sorry, I need create a router or OSPF process first. Okay, interface to node 10. This one IP OSPF area 0 and you right. Okay, you see the tunnel load in full. Okay, okay, let me show run session or SPF. Okay, and so IB route. Okay, you see the legacy router now is running route from uh, a data center side 199. Sorry, side 99, and route from side 100 and 106, 103. This hit office. Okay, let me check pin from user 107 to the gateway of user DC 10.10.99.254 IP 1.107 and 124 gateway 1.10.10.107 and 254 pin gateway 10.10.17.2. Okay, can pin, so I will pin to 10.10.99.254. What happened? Cannot pin. Let me check bin from legacy router in 10.10.99.force E32. Cannot, right? Let me check around. Seven. No, 7. Okay, no 7. What's wrong? Maybe wrong. No 7. Okay, let me check. Because maybe I missed the OSPF in gigabit 2. So IP interface E2. Sorry. So run interface gigabit 2. Yeah, I missed this one, so cannot be area 0 and right. Okay, let's check route again. Wait a second. So then 10. Yeah, boy to boy. So then 10 boy to boy. Sorry, VIF10. This one. Now router head route from legacy side. Okay, let me ping again from user 107 to the gateway of user DC. Still cannot. What's wrong? Let me show around again. This is one. Okay, so maybe in the favorite. Sorry, I don't has IP 10.10.10.99.20 254. Sorry. Okay, let me begin. 192.168.10.254. Okay. Okay. The user 101 at legacy side can ping to the gateway of user DC. Let me ping to the subnet of VPN 10 of site 106 10.10.106 and 254. Okay, can ping. How about traces? Tracer 10.10.106.254. Okay, go to DC and then come back to site 106. Okay, I think my configuration GRE or over IPsec until now is correct. But let me show the crypto IKE V2 SA to cross check. Okay, you can see IV RF 10 and FVIF none, remote IP address and local IP address encryption parameter. Okay, let me show the session. Okay, local selector and remote selector. How about legacy router? So crypto IKE version 2 SA. Also, because I'm did not using VAF in interface tunnel, so I VAF and is none. Okay, let's show session. Okay, everything fine until now, guys. So I think I should stop video here. Thank you for watching, and you know, New Year 2024 is coming in a few hours. Hope betting come to you in the new year, and see you in next video. I also hope get your like and subscribe my channel, friend. Bye bye.